Hi, Skip here again. Okay, network marketing. Again, in the marketing of network marketing, is understanding how to use the tools and what's the difference. Now, in conventional network marketing, as I mentioned, it's a lot of one-on-one personal contact, which is all good. It's fine. It's been successful and nothing wrong with that. But when you do it online, the important thing is to learn how to drive traffic, and not just any traffic. You're driving traffic that is pre-qualified, traffic that has already expressed an interest in what you have, traffic that understands what you're doing. They want what you have. They're looking for the right opportunity, the right fit, and you can do it online without having to convince somebody to change their life, change their mind, start at the beginning and drag somebody into it who will probably never succeed because they never will understand it anyway. Whatever, people who are not necessarily interested that you have to convince. If you have to convince them, you're probably going to take a little longer and it may not be the right fit anyway. But if you can do an online targeted marketing where you're actually talking to people who have already expressed an interest, they're interested in what you have, and they want an opportunity that is very real and substantial and with a company that's been around and proven itself, then those are all things to consider. In the program that I offer, which is the 4% Challenge, it teaches you how to market online and drive targeted traffic to whatever your opportunity. And if it's at opportunities in network marketing, you can also do all the back-end training and support. That doesn't mean that you won't have any personal contact with people, but you can. There's ways you can achieve a level of personal interaction with people, and it can all be done online very effectively. So you don't have to rely on the older methods of marketing in order to be successful in building a network marketing business. Hope that helps. So see you in another video. Thanks.